got these big dips in it, and look, it's a pond. It's a pond. It smells terrible. If this were smell-o-vision, because it's full of anaerobic bacteria, because that's what you get when you have an underground pond of bath water. I can't. It's a pond. Oh, by the way, this shower hadn't been used for over a week before today. Like, this is after drying out for more than a week. It's a pond. See, it's got like this fiberglass pan, like you do. It's not properly wrapped over the curb or anything, but it's pretty continuous along the bench at least, and it's waterproof because there's a pond. And it's just the most bizarre thing I've ever seen. So